In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply soft edges in Excel. This is a quick way to make pictures feel less harsh on the page, so they blend nicely with your worksheet and look more professional. We'll keep it simple and clear, and by the end you'll know exactly how to get that subtle, softened look. First, make sure the picture you want to edit is selected. Click directly on the image in your worksheet. When it's selected, you'll see small circles or squares around its border, and a special tab called Picture Format will appear on the ribbon at the top. If you don't see that tab, click the picture again to confirm it's selected. This step is important because all the tools we need are only available once Excel knows you're working with an image. Next, go to the Picture Format tab and find the Picture Effects button. It's usually in the group that includes picture styles and artistic tools. Click Picture Effects to open a drop-down menu. You might notice options like shadow, reflection, glow, and more. We're focusing on soft edges today, which specifically fades the picture's border so it feels lighter and more integrated with your sheet. If the Picture Effects button is grayed out, double-check that a picture, not a cell, chart, or shape, is currently selected. Now, click Soft Edges in that menu and choose the effect you like. You'll see several presets, each with a different softness value. Hover over them to preview how each level looks on your picture before you commit. Smaller values keep the edges crisp with just a hint of softness, while larger values create a strong feathered fade. Pick the one that complements your layout and doesn't hide important details near the edge of the image. If your picture is small, a lighter soft edge often works best. For larger images, you can go a bit stronger. If you change your mind, simply open the menu again and select a different preset, or press Undo to revert. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If you plan to resize your picture after applying soft edges, take a second look once you're done resizing, since the visual impact can feel different at a new scale. And remember, soft edges are different from shadow or glow effects. They subtly fade the picture itself rather than adding anything around it. That's all you need to give your images a soft, polished look in Excel. Thanks for watching, and happy formatting.